we're gonna cook Turkish eggs.
Not a clue. There isn't many ingredients on the table either, so
No,
I'm going to be amazed.
This is going to be real different.
Yep.
So we're going to start off with some sourdough, and basically what it is like toast and eggs, some yogurt, like garlicky yogurt, and then the key ingredient is this, harissa paste.
Yeah, weird.
They look like cocks, don't they? That's more...
Might be going to the doctor if you got it like that, Jenny.
Not big and wide.
Flat. Sweet.
He's gone.
Our toaster's back there, so we have some Kerrygold salted butter. Yeah. We've got this stuff because I'm on a diet. I'm trying to not be fat. A couple of spoons of yogurt. That's step one. Step two is garlic. So if you're ever eating raw garlic and not cooking it, it can get really intense really quick. So I'm just gonna do one. Whereas if you're cooking it slightly, go nuts. But raw garlic's just do one. So we'll just chop the garlic up really fine. Oh, another good tip actually, if you want to get it like that, you just go salt.
Why the salt?
It's like acts as like an abrasive, so it's like sandpaper. So it like becomes like a paste. Garlic in. The key ingredient for this is dill, but the shop I went to didn't have any dill. So I'm replacing it with parsley, but you should use dill.
As a kid, I used to just eat a bag of parsley.
Yeah, you still do.
Yeah.
So in with that, we're gonna do a bit of olive oil. Done. Really low heat. Show you how to do a lazy poached egg. You know, have you ever seen these videos where like, this is how you make the best poached egg? I don't want to make the best, I want to make the quickest, easiest. You can put a little bit of vinegar in, but it doesn't matter. This is just salted water. Nice shell in the first one.
Perfect.
So, eggs are on. We're gonna get the butter going. So we want to melt that. Get one of these. This is unconditional. If you are making poached eggs, get a slotted spoon.
What would you say, like time-wise, are you giving those? Minutes?
5?
5?
Yeah. So we're getting that melted, and then we're gonna go in with the harissa. And this is what gives it the flavor and the color. So I'm gonna go in with a big spoon of that. Stir, and you basically want to make like red, oily butter, you know? Oh, toast. Chuck a bit of parsley in there. So you want to pick up one of your eggs and just give it a poke. And that is, I'd say, got about 30 seconds left. And then just give it like a slot around like that and it will get rid of some of the shit. And then straight onto paper towel. Use kitchen roll. Kitchen roll's way better. This stuff is awful. Look at that. That is gonna be a runny yolk. You can see the bubble on it. Then just like dab the tops dry, because they're gonna be really wet, see? Just dab them. They can probably sit there for like 5 minutes now and still be warm. So yogurt on bread, like that.
On hot bread.
Yogurt on hot bread.
It smells like cream cheese.
Doesn't it? So, poached egg on. Oh, yeah, definitely use kitchen roll. This is a nightmare. That's actually a beauty. She worked out well. Squeeze a lemon in there. Then do some artsy shit around the corners like that. Oh yeah. Just a bit more parsley on the top. Crack a black pepper on the eggs. So, Turkish eggs. And look at this, ready? I already know I've nailed these poached eggs. Ready? Oh yeah, get in there. That's perfect, look at that.
He's gone straight for it.
No
mess up. Love it.
Yeah, unbelievable.
Alright.
Actually need a bit of salt.
Yeah?
Get involved.
Oh, you nailed them eggs. Oh, get out of there. Ooh. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
The yogurt's crazy.
Yeah. You wouldn't think it would work, and then
Not at all. That is banging.
yeah, I think the harissa and the yogurt makes it taste like way different.
Yeah, I ain't tried anything like this before. That's so good.
Oh, yeah. That's really good.
I thought it'd be hotter. I thought it'd be even spicier. That's perfect.
Another banger. Look at that.
Add to the list.
Yes.